This will be a video tutorial on how to enable dark mode on the DuckDuckGo app. I will be using an iPhone for this, but the steps should be very similar on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I have my phone open now and I am on the DuckDuckGo app. To enable dark mode on DuckDuckGo, you want to go down to the lower right hand corner and you want to tap on the 3-dot hamburger menu. Then you want to scroll down a little ways and you want to tap on Settings. From here, under the Appearance area, where it says Theme, off to the right side, you want to tap on where it says System. And then right in here, you can change it from light mode, dark mode. I'm going to tap on dark mode. I'm going to tap the back arrow. I'm going to tap on Done. That is how you enable dark mode on the DuckDuckGo app. Thanks for watching.